Hello students, today I will start reasoning aptitude test number 4. Let's see the question number 1. That is 7 ratio 56 is to 9 ratio question mark. As we know that the table of 7 is a 56 and 9 is a 72. But students, you can see 72 is not here. So we have to read the next number. That means 9 9s are 81. 81 is there. So it will be right. And 9 tens are 90. And also we can see 90 is here. So it will be also right. So A option is right and also B option is right. Let's see the question number 2. Moon is related to Chandrayaan. Similarly, Mars is related to Mangalyaan. So, which option is right? A option. Let's see the question number 3. That is AA, fill up A, fill up B, fill up AB, AA, fill up. Students, when we put the fill-ups here, then we can observe the sequencing order. That means the option number C will be right in this question. Let's see the question number 4. The question number 4 is, if today is coded as U, Q, E, C, Z, that means the T is related to U, then O is related to Q, then D is related to E, similarly A is related to C and Y is related to Z. That means T plus 1 is U, O plus 2 is Q, D plus 1 is E, A plus 2 is C and Y plus 1 is Z. That means plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 is coded in this question. Similarly, for the before, when we added plus 1 and plus 2 in the similar way from the question, then we can observe A option is right. Let's see the next question. Student, here is Ram walks 2 km to the east. As I told you in the direction chapter how to make the figure. So when we draw this figure, its value is B. Let's see the question number 6. Students, we know the currency of the Germany is euro. Similarly, the currency of the China is yen. That means option number B. In the question number 7, which one is the odd? Retina is the odd. And in the question number 6, we have to find out the mirror image of the given question. Try to solve this question, students. Let's see the next chapter. That is chapter number 23, a pie chart. Before I started the question of the given chapter, pie chart, students, let's see the pie chart that is given in the chapter number 23. Cricket's value is 25%. Then hockey's value 15%. Golf value is 12 volt 1.2%. Similarly, others value is 9%. Tennis value is 11%. Basketball's value is 12 whole 1.2%. And football's value is 15%. Let's see the question number 1. The question number 1 is, the ratio of the total amount spent on football to the hockey. Student, as we know that from the pie chart, football's value is 15%. And what is the value of the hockey? That is also 15%. Now students, you can see here football's value is 15% and also hockey's value is 15%. And when we find out the ratio of football to hockey, that means 15% upon 15%. So its value will be 1:1. That means option number B. Let's see the question number 2. If the total amount spent on the sport during the year is 1,20,000 rupees, the amount spent on basketball was, as we know that in the question the total amount spent on the sport is given already, that is 1,20,000 rupees, and then we have to find out the amount spent on basketball. The basketball's amount is 12 whole 1 upon 2%, that is according to the pie chart, and total amount spent on the whole year is 1,20,000. And how can we find out the total spent amount on basketball? The basketball's value is 12 whole 1 upon 2% of 1,20,000. That means how can we make the equation? That will be 12 whole 1 upon 2% multiplied by 1,20,000, and when we solve its value will be 15,000 rupees. That means option number A. Let's see the question number 3. That is, pie chart shows that the most popular game of the country is. As we know that from the pie chart, cricket's value is greater. So the most popular game is cricket. Let's see the question number 4. Out of the following, the counting is spent the same amount on. What games the same amount? The football value is 15% and also the hockey's value is 15%. So football and hockey is the correct option of question number 4. Similarly, let's see the question number 5. The question number 5 is, pie chart shows that the least popular game of the country. The least popular game of the country is other game, that is 9%. So option number C is right of the given question. Now students, let's see the chapter number 24, that is bar chart. Before I started these questions, all the students, let's see about the graph. Student, in this graph there are two bars, that is demand is represented by this graph and production is represented by this graph. Student, there are 5 types of company in this graph, that is A, B, C, D and E. Let's see in the A, the demand's value is 3,000, you can see here, and the production value is 1,500, you can see it here. Similarly, in the B company, the demand value is 500, you can see here, and the value of production, that is 1,800, you can see it here. Similarly, you can see rest graph, and when we see the graph, then we are able to solve these questions. So students, try to solve these questions yourself. Thank you.